Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 9 different ways to make passive income. That's right, 9 different side hustles that have the potential to earn you a serious income. We're talking $27,000 per week with the right amount of effort and dedication. Whether you're looking to quit your 9 to 5, achieve financial freedom, or just earn some extra cash on the side, these passive income ideas can help you get there. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. First up, we have the stock market. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, the stock market isn't exactly passive income. And you're right, it's not entirely passive. But with the right strategy, it can be a powerful way to generate long-term wealth without lifting a finger. We're talking about dividend investing, folks. By investing in established companies with a history of paying dividends, you can essentially get paid to own a piece of their success. Now, before you go throwing all your money into the market, remember that investing always comes with risks. But the beauty of dividend investing is that you're not relying on the stock price to go to the moon to make money. You're getting paid just for holding on to those shares. It's like owning a rental property that pays you rent every quarter, except you don't have to deal with any tenants. Of course, building a substantial dividend income stream takes time and patience. You need to invest consistently, reinvest those dividends, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. But trust me, the long-term payoff is well worth the wait. And the best part? Setting up a brokerage account is easier than ever these days. You can do it all online in minutes and start investing with as little as a few dollars. Next up, we have YouTube. Now this one might seem a bit meta, but hear me out. YouTube has been a game changer for me. Not just as a platform to share my knowledge, but also as a massive source of passive income. And the best part is, you don't need to be a financial expert or have millions of subscribers to make it work. The key to success on YouTube is to find your niche, create valuable content consistently, and be patient. It takes time to build an audience, but once you do, the earning potential is huge. From ad revenue to sponsorships to selling your own products or services, there are countless ways to monetize your channel. And the best part is, you don't need any fancy equipment to get started. Just grab your phone, start filming, and be yourself. People connect with authenticity, so don't be afraid to show your personality and share your story. You never know who you might inspire or what opportunities might come your way. If you're more of an audio person, then launching a podcast could be your ticket to passive income. Podcasting has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a fantastic way to connect with your audience, share your expertise, and build a loyal following. And just like YouTube, there are multiple ways to monetize your podcast once you've built a decent audience. You can secure sponsorships from brands that align with your niche, promote your own products or services, or even use your podcast as a platform to land speaking gigs or other opportunities. The key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your listeners and keeps them coming back for more. And the best part? Launching a podcast is easier than you might think. You don't need a professional studio or expensive equipment to get started. All you really need is a decent microphone, a quiet space to record, and a platform to host your podcast. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most popular and accessible ways to earn passive income online. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales you generate through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics of running an e-commerce business. All you have to do is find products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your niche, and then promote them to your audience. And the best part? There are countless affiliate programs out there for almost every niche imaginable, from tech gadgets to fashion to travel. You can find affiliate programs directly through companies' websites or by joining affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. If you're looking for a truly passive income stream, selling digital products is where it's at. Unlike physical products, digital products have zero inventory costs, shipping fees, or storage headaches. Create it once, and you can sell it infinitely online, making it a scalable and potentially lucrative business model. The options for digital products are endless. You could create ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, music, software, and so much more. The key is to identify your skills and passions and create products that provide value to your target audience. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easier than ever to sell your digital products online. You can set up shop in minutes, list your products, and start reaching a global audience. And the best part? You get to keep a larger portion of your profits compared to selling physical products through third-party platforms. Real estate might not scream passive income at first glance, but trust me, it can be a powerful wealth-building tool with the right strategy. We're not talking about flipping houses or becoming a landlord here. We're talking about passive real estate investing, where you're essentially a silent partner in a property or a portfolio of properties. One popular option is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate, such as shopping malls, apartment buildings, or office spaces. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of managing properties yourself. Another option is crowdfunding platforms, which allow you to invest in commercial or residential real estate projects with relatively small amounts of money. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to purchase and manage properties, distributing profits to investors based on their investment share. If you're an expert in your field, creating and selling an online course can be a lucrative way to generate passive income while sharing your knowledge with the world. Online learning is booming, and people are constantly seeking convenient and affordable ways to acquire new skills or enhance existing ones. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once, and they can generate income for years to come. You can host your course on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, or Podia, or even create your own website. The key to success in the online course market is to identify a profitable niche, create high-quality content that provides value to your students, and market your course effectively. And don't be afraid to niche down. The more specific your course topic, the easier it will be to attract your ideal students. Remember when we talked about digital products? Well, ebooks fall under that category, but writing a book deserves its own chapter. Why? Because it's not just about generating passive income. It's about leaving a legacy, sharing your story, and potentially reaching millions of readers worldwide. Whether you're a fiction writer, a nonfiction expert, or a memoirist, there's an audience out there for your book. And thanks to self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, it's easier than ever to get your book into the hands of readers. You no longer need to jump through hoops to secure a traditional publishing deal. You can write, edit, format, and upload your book to KDP and start earning royalties on every sale. And the best part? You retain complete control over your book's pricing, cover design, and marketing. Last but not least, we have app development. Now this one definitely requires some technical skills, but if you've got a knack for coding or are willing to learn, developing and monetizing an app can be a highly lucrative passive income stream. Think about it. There are over 6 billion smartphone users worldwide, and we rely on apps for everything from communication to entertainment to productivity. If you can identify a problem that needs solving or a gap in the market, developing an app that addresses that need could be your ticket to success. You can monetize your app through various methods, such as in-app purchases, subscriptions, advertising, or even selling it outright to a larger company. And the beauty of the app market is that it's constantly evolving, providing endless opportunities for innovative and creative minds. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort, but it's worth it for financial independence. It's all about taking that first step, staying consistent, and never giving up on your dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on building your wealth. And hey, if you're serious about boosting your productivity and launching successful side hustles, check out my Skillshare class linked below. It's packed with valuable tips and strategies that have helped thousands of students achieve their financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.